Hi, good afternoon, everyone, and thank you for joining us today for this Nx Solution Webinar 2023, which we will talk about the cool features and new integrations overview. We are so happy to see so many familiar names, and I'm thankful to all of you who registered and joined us today. We are truly grateful for your support. Magandang hapon sa lahat. So, by the way, for those who haven't met me before, my name is Jovi Rose Verlisan, and I run Network Optix in the Philippine market. So, I am delighted to be your host and your presenter today. And by the way, I am joined by two of my fantastic colleagues from Taiwan team, Andy Wen and Shom. Can you make yourself visible to the screen, please, Andy and Shom?
Hello. Hi, everybody.
Yes.
I believe Shom is in the attendees, so he's not able to say
Oh,
hi.
all right. Okay. Noted. So, by the way, you will be hearing from Andy on the later part of our session, and we are here and Sean to assist and engage with you throughout this webinar. Right?
Sure.
I believe some of you are already familiar with the history, the advantages, and the components and architecture of network optics. But let me give a quick presentation to our new guests. Right? So now without further ado, let's jump into the heart of our webinar, which is our product presentation. And let me start with our company logo, which is Nx. So basically we get Nx from Network Optics, the first and the last letter. And optics is like a cool word for optimization. So that means optimizing your network. And Network Optics basically started with these two smart guys, and they are our CEO and CTO. So on the next slide, I will show them our CEO and CTO. And now Network Optics is actually a multicultural team. So some of us are Russians, Americans, Australians, Koreans, Vietnamese, Taiwanese, and we are worldwide. And just like machine languages, they have Dev, C, C++, Python, JavaScript, and many more. So all of us are really communicating to each other because we wanted to create something new to our software. And we would like to help our end users, our clients, especially the end users, to use a kind of VMS that is so easy to use, right? And we have some of the coolest clients on the planet. We are into vertical markets, so we are selling our product to the government, to the smart cities, oil and gas companies, minings, universities, and so on. And that's why we got the seventh place for fastest growing software company in the America. And now let me share with you the history of Network Optics. So in the beginning, so right here we have Nathan Wheeler. He is our CEO. And let me give you a short background of Nathan. So he was actually a top salesman in a surveillance company in the United States, and he was closing a multi-million dollar deals to Google and T-Mobile. So these two big companies, they were using this famous brand of VMS, but a bit expensive. And Nathan, as an expert of selling VMS and surveillance cameras, he noticed that that kind of VMS is somewhat not user-friendly. And so he realized that a VMS should be easy to use, just like a multimedia player. And in 2010, he founded Network Optics in Burbank, California. In 2012, here we have Sergey Bistrak. He is our CTO. And Sergey is actually a smart guy. And on his university years, his expertise is all about video codec, which is the H.264. And he helped a certain surveillance company to produce the first ever H.264 camera. He even helped us to launch the first product of Nx, which is the HD Witness, intended for high definition cameras. In 2013, we noticed that HD Witness is not kind of impressive at all. So we have Richard Pay here. He helped to improve HD Witness and then rebrand it to Nx. And after 3 years, in 2016, we became the top 136 as fastest selling VMS in the United States as per INC 5000. Moving on to 2017, we have the Nx Cloud. So later on, I will discuss to you what is Nx Cloud. In 2018 to 2019, these are the years when there are a lot of artificial intelligence that are coming in, right? And then being introduced to us. So we thought, why not we create our own AI? And which we later did actually in year 2019, and we called it Nx Meta. So Nx Meta, this is a platform built for developers who wants to integrate third-party solutions using their own scripting languages, platforms, and operating system. In 2020, we have the Nx Integrations Marketplace. So basically, we have the centralized ecosystem where the developers can find hardware and software solutions that works with products of Nx. In 2021, extending VSaaS. So VSaaS is a video surveillance as a service, and we offer this to some of the big companies who would want to have their own VMS. So instead of them spending their time creating their VMS, we offer them the fastest and easiest solution for them to create or to have their own VMS using their own brand or company name using our OEM. Now, just last year, we got the #1 spot for the favorite VMS as per IPVM. So if you don't know IPVM, they are a famous IT online magazine in the United States, and they were creating reports from VMS users. And before, we were consistent in the top 5, and then later on, they considered us as their most favorite VMS. And this is the Nx presence. We are worldwide. Network Optix is worldwide, and you can find our headquarters here in San Francisco, California. We have sales from South America, UK, Russia, in APAC, Korea, Australia, and Southeast Asia. So our office is located here in Taipei, Taiwan, headed by Andy Wen. So Andy Wen is our Southeast Asia director, and we have sales from Vietnam, Ani, and Indonesia, Hartono, Thailand, Butte, and of course in the Philippines, really yours. Now, why Nx? So first, built for users. So Nx Witness was designed to be instantly usable to all users of all levels of experience, requiring no training, how to install, how to configure, and how to use. So it is user-friendly. Second, high compatibility, since it automatically discovers 99% of IP cameras with the support of over 900 manufacturers, including the microsensor cameras, the PTCs, I/O encoders, I/O devices, third-party DVR, and encoders. Right? Now, third is system stability. So Nx Witness was designed for stability and speed. It is lightweight and no prerequisite software, and it can run smoothly on commodity compute hardware from major brands or major manufacturers like Dell, HP, Lenovo, Acer, Seagate, and many more. Highly integrated, so Nx Witness comes with a suite of developer tools using SDK and API. And it helps the developers to integrate third-party solutions such as facial recognition, object identification, hard alarm, access control, and so on. Lastly, lifetime free upgrade. So you can upgrade your software up to the latest version anytime for free. And that is something unique for Nx, because we are the only, I think so far, the only company that don't require any payment for upgrades, and also for the support. Okay, now we have here the Nx application. We'll start with Nx Cloud. So Nx Cloud, this is a public cloud application which is simple, fast, and reliable, where you can remotely access your system anytime and anywhere just by only using your email address and your password. So no need to put any static IP. And then you can connect and manage your unlimited numbers of systems and users. You can enable two-factor authentication for double security purposes. And By the way, our cloud is on AWS or Amazon Web Services. So rest assured that your data or your surveillance CCTV camera recordings are well secured, right? And by the way, our cloud, we only use this for connections and not for storage, okay? Now for Nx server, basically this is the brain of your system. And then this is also lightweight, and it is responsible for discovering, for managing the system devices, the connections, and data. It also has a server high architecture, ensuring there will be no single point of failure, which we call it smart failover or automatic failover. So it auto discovered tens of thousands of devices from 928 manufacturers like Axis, Hanwha, Dahua, Hikvision, and 900 more. Okay? Another is Nx Desktop. So this is a multimedia browser. It was designed for connecting, viewing, and managing your users and integrated devices. It has a flexible grid user interface where the user can put or customize a layout with combined live videos or offline videos, even images and web pages. Okay. And now Nx Mobile, this is an application for our phones, okay, for iOS or Androids. And this allows the users to remotely access their system just by only using their phone. And you can also use some of the features like soft triggers, speech ID working, PTC controlling the same with Nx Witness. Nx Developer Tool, so this is a platform for developing integrations that allows the developers to find the hardware and software solution that works with Nx Witness using API and SDK. Okay, works with Nx ecosystem. So we have a centralized ecosystem, right, as what I have mentioned earlier, and this it seamlessly integrate with Nx products. So if you find or if you're looking for a solution that would help you build or customize your IP video system, you can just go to nxvms.com and you will find integration stuff there, and there will be some list of our integrated partners. Great. Now this is the Nx Witness VMS Hive architecture. So if you have multiple servers and then you merge them together, we call it a system, right? So for us, the merge function, we call it a hive, just like a bee house. You know, a beehive is composed of multiple blocks, like the hexagonal blocks, right, that sticks together. So the bee can actually see everything that is inside the hive, and the bee can enter from any of which of this block and then can still see everything that is inside the hive. So we use the same structure, and just like for example, I am the admin, and then I log in from different servers, then I will still be able to see all the data, all the users, all the recordings from different servers, right? And for this one, every servers are actually synchronized and transparent to each other. And this server could be a Windows, this one could be an Ubuntu or Mac OS or any device like this one. I can still access our system because I am using an Android, and there will be no problem if you're using different devices or hardware with different operating system. As long as you install the Nx Witness, there should be no problem with that. Okay. So now this is the Nx Witness VMS Smart Failover, and I will explain to you how it works. So right here, you can see I have a total of 6 servers here. This is server 1, let's say server 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And this one, it has 2 cameras connected for each servers, right? So what will happen if in case this server 1 failed or crashed down? So automatically, the camera will transfer to server number 2. And what if server number 2 crash down as well. So of course, all the camera will transfer to server number 3. And server number 3 will now start to record a total of 6 cameras because the 2 cameras from here will transfer here and now it crashed down. It has a total of 4 cameras, right? So transferred here, so a total of 6 recordings. And now I believe the traditional way, there should always be an N+1, like an extra server that is waiting for a failover, right? So let's say the traditional, we have an extra server here. And then server 1 fail, of course, the N+1 will take over the cameras from server 1. And then what will happen if server number 2 crash down? Of course, the N+1 can no longer accommodate or take over the cameras from server 2 because there will be no room to store the camera. So the end users now will need to buy another server, and that will be so costly on the end user side, right? So for us, our structure is very cost effective because every server is supporting each other during the failover. Okay. By the way, if you have any questions, you can just type it down on the question dialog box. You can see it on your screen. And then later on, my team and I will do our best to answer all of your questions. All right. So that is smart failover. And now we have the server specs, which is super lightweight. As you can see, we are only using Core i3 that can stream up to 128 cameras. And then we can use dual core ARM that can stream up to 8 cameras, right? And then you can also base here for this desktop specs, then performance specs, right? Again, for any questions, just type it down on the question dialog box, right? Now it's time for the icebreaker. And I believe some of you already registered, right? And I have your names already here. And then actually, you'll get the chance to win these prizes. I will be giving 5 300 food grab voucher, 5 umbrellas, 5 tumbler, and 1 Nx mug. So this one is actually nice. So later on, during our Q&A, I have 4 questions ready for you. I will be giving 3 for this and then 1 grab voucher. So let me. So all of you who registered, I believe you can find your names here. And then, all right. So let me start this spin the wheel and let's see who got lucky today. Okay, Kim Ralph Agustin. Oh, okay. Are you available? I mean, are you in the room right now? Kim Ralph? Can you unmute yourself? No, Kim Ralph?
No, I
Right.
don't see
Okay.
Kim. I don't see Kim here. Maybe not yet here.
Not yet. Okay, let me try another spin. Let's remove Kim. Another spin. Now we have Jennifer's Mamon. Do we have Jeno in the room?
Hello po.
Hello? Is it Jeno?
Hello.
Hello, yes, congratulations. You won a 300 voucher now.
Thank you so much.
Okay, yes, thank you and congratulations. Okay, another spin. Okay, we have Marie Eugenie Doquingo. Are you present, Marie? You can unmute
Hi.
yourself.
Hello.
Yes, congratulations. Congrats. All right. Okay. Now the third person. Congratulations, Gazer Glasso. Are you in the room? Gazer. Gazer.
No, I don't see.
No? Okay, you can remove Gazer. Okay, another spin. Pradeep Singh. Yes. Hello, congratulations. Okay. Another for fifth person. This is the lucky one.
Thank you, Joey.
Welcome. Okay, we have Sir Christopher Singochan from ProNet. Congratulations, sir. Are you in the room, sir?
Yes, yes.
Yes. Thank you and congratulations. And now for the umbrella. We have Gimwal Makaraeg. We have Gimwal.
Yeah, he is
No,
here.
Gimwal.
Hello,
He's
please
here.
unmute.
Okay.
Yeah, he's here. He's here.
Congrats. Yes, okay. Another spin. Irene Nunan. Congratulations.
I'm here. Thank
Okay.
you.
Thank you and congrats. Okay, the third one. Pakin Tim Sakul. See here.
No, I think no.
No? Okay, another
Yep.
spin. Alvin Leparelor Casa. Mm,
Hello po.
hello, congratulations.
Thank you.
Okay, and then the fifth one. Okay, Aris Abelia, congratulations.
No, I don't see Iris. I don't see Iris here.
Okay, okay, more chances of winning for the rest. Okay, Jonathan Lazar. Okay.
No, no as well.
No, still. Maybe we should make this one quick. Miss Ria Abad, congratulations. You get an umbrella from Nx.
Ria is not here.
Okay, so we have 30 presenters. Okay, another spin. Maybe we can continue this one later. Then I'll have to give the one Nx 5 after this one. Oh, Dylan Gandan. Hi, sir. Congratulations.
Hello, hi.
Yes, congratulations. Maybe I can give this one to you personally. I'll be in Manila next week, so we can meet sometime. All right. And now for Nx bag, one Nx bag only for this one. Who's the lucky guy or person? Wow, Rube na pala! Congratulations! Alright. Now,
Oh, I'm
introduce
here.
our winner. Yeah, I know. Yeah. So, thank you so much for your participation. And right now, we will proceed to Nx Witness VMS features and functions. Alright. So built for users, as you remember, our CTO, Sergey Bistrov, he always had this famous quote that he always shared with us, that he wants to create a software to be so simple, even his grandmother can use it. So this is it. We have the Nx Witness. And as you can see, the user can select a random camera and then just drag and drop to the layout, and then he can place it anywhere he likes. He can resize the cameras here, as you can see, and then you can rotate the camera. Basically, you can customize everything depending on your liking, and then you can do soft figures that will give you different angles like 90, 180, and 360 degrees for this one. Then you can zoom in, and then you can zoom out your camera. So that's how easy the Nx Witness VMS, right? So this is the smart motion search. For the smart motion, we have an icon at the top of your camera, and then you can select or click the smart motion icon, and then you have to draw somewhere else where you want to see some of motions. So you can see Sham, our base sales, and then going in and then going out to the toilet. This is our corridor going to our toilet in Taipei office. You can see Andy going into the toilet and then going out. So basically, it will save you time to see, like example, if you have a restricted area and you wanted to check, like whoever tried to enter that area, you can basically use the smart motion search for this one, right? So that's it for smart motion. Now for smart object, you need to use an AI camera for this one in order for you to see some of the attributes of a person or an object that you want to see. So here you can select a woman that is wearing a green shirt or a top clothing, and then or you can change it to black, or someone who's wearing a button clothing which is a color blue, or a man, right? So you can really customize who you want to see. So that is smart object search. Zoom window, this is an interesting feature of Nx Witness, because if you are using a wide camera, then you won't be able to see a much closer look for every detail, right? Now we have a zoom window for you. You can select multiple zoom screen, right? So you can select an area, and then this will give you a much closer look to the area that you wanted to see. So right here, you can arrange your zoom screen. Basically, you can create more zoom screen in using one camera, which is really interesting, right? And I believe Nx is the only VMS company who are able to do this one, right? So now for Nx Mobile, this is Andy's phone, by the way, and we have a different servers here, our system, right? This is our Taipei office, and you can see the camera list. Show you. So here, this is live at the moment, but you can do playback depending on the date that you want to see or check, which is really fast, right? No buffering. And then, of course, smart search, the one that I showed you before. You can select an area. You can do that using your mobile phone. So aside from using Nx Witness, you can use your phone to do this smart search. So this one takes a little bit longer, so I'll be speed up. So this one is soft trigger. Then you can turn on the light and then open the gate and then close the gate and then turn off the light. So this one is really, really helpful. I'm sorry. This one is really helpful. Like if ever you are working in a security office and then you went to the toilet at some point, right? And then if ever there will be a VIP card that wants to enter the building, then okay, oh no, I'm still in the toilet. Then you can still use your phone to open the gate for them, right? So this is soft trigger. And then fisheye dewarping. So you can zoom in and then you can zoom out. You can also dewarp this fisheye camera. So you just have to slide your fingers to your camera to be able to do that. And then if you have a two-way audio, it is also possible. Yes, for PTZ, we have an advanced PTZ. So you can control your PTZ just by sliding your fingers sidewards or upwards. Right? No need to have a joystick to control your camera. Just use your finger. And then you can double tap and then it will automatically zoom the area that you tap. So that's it basically for Nx Mobile. So yes. And now we have the two-factor authentication. So it is really useful because it will give you an assurance that it is only you who is going to access your system. That because your cell phone is always with you, right? And then every authentication code is unique. And then we sometimes use this for bank transfer, right? Which is really common for authentication method, right? And now for video wall. Here, this is our video wall in Taipei office, and we have a total of 6 video wall cameras. And then you can create a layout. And then for us, we combine 4 video wall cameras and make it as one monitor. So it is possible. So if you're going to buy a license, even though you are using a 4 video wall monitor, and then make it as one, then you will only purchase one license for that. And not to mention that we're only using this one in order for this whole 6 monitors to work. So that is video wall. And next, integration. So as what I have mentioned, that we have an integrations marketplace, right? Located in our Nx Cloud. So right here, you can select integrations, and some of the integrated partners will show you all of the list for like facial recognition, for mapping, like video analytics, for an alarm. So it will really help you to build or customize your IP video systems. For Navicops, this is a new partner of Nx, and actually Navicops is a comprehensive software package design and for management, supervision, mapping, and purposes. So you will have the ability to create intelligent maps using various elements such as images or PDFs and satellite maps. So Navicops has mapping, multi-level, dashboard, and supervision. And also, Navicops will allow you to oversee your IP devices to ensure the stability of your installation. So this is how Navicops works. they have the same dashboard, almost the same dashboard like Nx Witness, we have supervision system, and maps. You can add a user, and then you can select them as a viewer, editor, or admin. They also have figures, by the way, using the IO. And then you can select a map using image. You can select, or at least like a floor plan to do your mapping here, like where you want to put your camera or you want to place your camera, and then the coverage as well. So they have a 2D, 3D, and satellite. They are using USM, accompanied by a comprehensive monitoring system integrated with Nx Witness and OEM. They're using IO module to open and close the door. So that is Navicops. So now we have the NX on ARM devices, like the portable AllNet server. This is an AllNet server, so I have one actually installed here in our home. So I use this, and I don't really mind about the storage because it has a storage built in, and then it is NX embedded. And now this is a camera with NX embedded as well. And for this one is also a BWC. Actually, aside from using your phone to capture everything, you can use BWC because it supports audio, which is a lot nicer. And here, then you just have to push it, and then the NX Witness will really show you the live recording for BWC. Now for VCA camera, this is a fully functional NX server embedded in the camera. So it is a serverless architecture, and everything is on the camera. And then you can use an SD card. Maximum is 1 terabyte, and it has a range of integrated onboard analytic plugins like the AI analytics, the facial recognition, and the ANR. The ANR is the automatic plate recognition, and MMCR, like the make, model, color recognition for vehicles. And at the same time, it has server high architecture and flexible grid user interface. So by the way, if you want to know more about PCA, you just have to go to nxvms.com, and you will see there the integrations part. And you have to search PCA or the PWC. Or if you want to know something more, then you can message me directly about this one. And now for the Q&A, I will be giving a free NX bag and then one Grab voucher worth 1,000 pesos. So if you know the answer, you can actually chat your answer. It's a multiple choice actually. So chat your answer, may it be A, B, or C, and then whoever got it right first, then I will he's going to be the winner. All right. So are you now ready? Andy, can they chat the chat box right now?
Yes, they can see the question chat and they can type the answer there.
Okay, all right. So now we're going to see the first question. Okay. Now, question number 1. You can answer already if you know the answer, huh? Okay. Nx Witness architecture that supports smart failover, where you can merge and manage all of your servers no single point of failure, and it synchronized all the NX servers. So A, is it NX server, B, Hive, and C, cloud? Your answer now, and let's see whoever got it right. You will be going to receive an NX bag. Anyone?
Yep. They reply on the question chat, and
Oh,
the answer is yep. Can you see that?
yes, I can see Ronicom. Actually, Ronicom, the correct answer is B, Hive.
No, actually, the first one, the first one answer
The
is
first one?
Nelson. Nelson. Yes, yes,
Nelson.
yes.
I'm sorry, I only saw Ronicom. So Nelson got it right. Okay, you know, Nelson,
Yeah.
I'll give
So
it to you. And then go back to Manila. Okay,
please
so the
answer
answer
as
is
soon as
B.
possible. Yeah.
Yeah. So another question. So question number 2, a super responsive, easy to use, built close to the Metal Media browser that allows for customized management and monitoring of system resources. It is used for connecting to, viewing, and managing your NX system. Yes, correct. That is NX desktop. So, Andy, can you check if
Yes.
whoever got the correct answer?
Still Nielsen, but Nielsen has won the first one, right? So we pass to the second one.
Yeah.
Is Prisma.
Yeah.
Prisma.
Chrismar Basteng.
Yeah.
Wow, congratulations. Okay, Phil. Yeah. Now, this one, I accidentally clicked that. Now you can answer the question number 3. It is a lightning fast software, easy to use cross-platform IP video management system or video surveillance software designed to discover, view, record, and manage IP video cameras so you can monitor, analyze, and react to critical events in real time. So is it A, Nx Witness? B, yeah, you're right. Sorry, my bad.
Does it count?
My bad. Why are you really like, my bad, my bad. Yeah. So can you see, Andy, can you check
Alvin.
whoever got that?
Alvin
Hmm?
then. Actually it's still
Alvin,
Nielsen, but
okay.
next one. Alvin.
Nelson is very good. Soccer than that. Okay, now for the last question is going to be a 1,000 worth of Grab voucher. All right. So Andy, keep an eye. Whoever got
Okay.
the right answer, then you will get this one. So what is the meaning of VSaaS in network optics? So is it A, video surveillance as security, B, video surveillance as a service, C, video security as a solution? Your answer in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, the correct answer is B, video surveillance as a service. So Andy, you got it right.
Is Christmas, but Krishna won the second one, and then Nielsen won the first one. So is Christopher.
Christopher Chan, or
Yes.
yeah, congratulations, Sir Chris. You have a 1,000 Grab voucher. Alright, so congratulations to our winner. And right now, I'm actually down to my two last slides. So here I would like to share with you that we have a training and exam program. So for you to be able to get this certification operator, you have to get the training and then you take the exam. So if you go to networkoptix.com, you have to register in My NX and then put all your details, and then once you log in, you will see our dashboard, and then below that you can see the training, and then you click that, and then it will show you some of the videos that you need to review. So all of the resources that you need are available there. And then if you are confident enough, then you have to take the training, and you only need to get 72 correct score out of 80. And then don't worry because it is an unlimited takes. Okay, mine, I got my certificate after 5 takes. So no time pressure. All right. Then it will automatically send, the certificate will automatically send to your email once it was confirmed that you passed the training exam. All right. Now for the Nx support. If ever you have any questions, you can go to support.networkoptix.com, and then you will put your questions here because we have like ready-made answers for some of the questions of our previous clients. And then you will find your answers there, or the closest one. And then if you can find, if ever, then you will create an email since we have an NX support ticket system. So we have a lot of technical persons all over the world. So somebody in different time zone will reply to you, right? So if you have any more questions, you need to reach me through Viber, WhatsApp, or Line, or Messenger. And I think that ends my presentation. So, Andy, can you see if they have any questions after that?
Yeah, I actually reply all the questions since it's in
Oh,
English. Yeah. Yeah. So
yeah.
I reply the questions in the question chat. So if you are interested in it, please go to the question chat, and then you can see the question and then the answer.
Yeah, okay. So anyone who wants to raise a question, then you can unmute yourself. Since we still have
Actually,
time.
we need to unmute them first. So if anyone want to ask question, please
Okay.
raise your hand. There is a raise hand
Okay.
button. And Joby, are you going to do a live demo or?
Yeah, I think my demo is enough. It's an already made videos
Okay.
because I think my internet is not so stable.
No problem. No problem. Okay, I see. Pradip? Pradip, is it? I unmute you. Please unmute yourself.
Yeah, for deep sea.
Hi, Andy.
Yes. Hey, hello.
I just wanted to know, like, what all on-wave certification do we have?
Again, sorry.
What all on-wave certification do we have, like SG,
You mean on Weave, right? So far,
yeah,
we
yeah, yeah.
support on Weave Profile S, right? And now we are working for on Weave Profile G. Actually, we have done, but we need to do a fully test, and probably we will announce that next quarter. I mean, next year, Q1 next year, for on Weave Profile G, right? And for on Weave Profile N, we are working on it. Working on it is about the in-camera analytics and also the MQTT, right? But this one not yet, not yet. And another one is view profile T. T is for H.265, and we support 265 already, but we don't say that we support profile T, right? So let's say we are working for profile T, but we don't say we are profile T. It's something like
Okay.
that.
So,
Yeah.
are we registered on on-wave website?
Yeah, that's what I mean. We just list us as a profile S on the website, right? And for G, they have a certain task need to be done, right? After we done it, and we will put G on the website. And about
Okay.
T and N, because T and N include a lot of different, different things inside, right? So for
Yeah.
T, we support 265, but we don't support something else is that we don't feel we need to, right? So we don't say we are T. And for N, we are working on it. Right? So let's say next quarter, which is next year, Q1 next year, we will put ourselves as a G, right? And then when we have done the N, we will put on the N, right?
Okay. So, and
Yes.
the another question is like, do we have any smart dashboard? Like, because I have seen in Milestone and other VMS, they have some
Yes.
UI where they can able to identify like how many cameras are online, offline, the latest recording, and the
Yes.
oldest recording, and the hard drive status, and kind of like it's just like this dashboard something.
Yes, we have a dashboard. Joby, may I take the presentation screen share? Yeah. So let me log into my site and then let me show you the dashboard. Wait a minute. And then me. Okay, so let me share my screen. Share screen, share screen. Oh. Okay. Did I share screen? Let me screen number 1. Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the dashboard that you say like this one, right? We use the website. I mean, when you install Nx Witness, right? Actually, you can use the browser to log in to your Nx Witness, and there are some dashboard like this, right? This is a full information dashboard, right? To tell you how many servers do you have, how many cameras do you have, and about the storage, about the network issue, right? And there's all others about your systems, right? And you can see the whole system information and the server information. Like say, right now I'm looking to my Taipei site, right? And I have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 server merged together. So you can see, okay, I have 6 servers and they are all online, right? And there's no event so far. And the uptime, right? Some servers up 9 days, just one server 1 day, right? The CPU resources, the memory, the IP address, the OS system, something, and all the camera. Like I have how many cameras here, is recording or not, and yeah, the status, all the status. Yeah, we have a dashboard like this. Yeah.
Okay.
So anyone
have-
have another questions? Or another?
Okay. So there is one question. Let me reply first. Is from Caesar. We have a customer with the existing VMS with the 200 cameras in a recording server. Can we load 200 more NS camera license in one recording server without spending? Yes. Actually, NS license is you can consider it as a license pool, right? So for example, you have 2 servers, right? Per server is 150 camera, let's say 150 camera, 150 camera. So totally 300, right? You don't need to put all license key in the separate server, 150, 150. No, you can put total license key in one server. And once you merge the servers, right? And then all servers share the total amount of the license. Okay, so even you have 10 servers, right? And you put 1,000 channel license key in one server, so you merge 10 of them, right? So even some servers, they don't have a license key, you still can record the camera inside the server because all servers share the total amount of the license key. It's kind of a license pool, okay? And another question, can we use your video image? That's right, no problem. After this session, we will share all the presentation out, right? And okay, let's say, can you please email to Jovi, and then Jovi will share with you the folder, right? We will put all the information that showing inside the webinar to you, okay? So let me put on the chat. Jovi, can you please put your email on the chat so that everybody can
Yeah,
see.
sure.
Right. Or you share screen and then you stay on the last page. Right, easier.
No, it's
So
alright. I can just type it down.
let me share the presenter for you. Yeah. Thank you. So any other questions? Okay, so Jovi just shared the email, right? Show the email to the question box. So everybody, if you need the information, just feel free to send to Jovi. Okay.
Yes. So I don't have any slides to show them. No?
Okay.
And
Yeah.
yeah, thank you so much, guys, for joining. And don't worry about the prices. If you're in Cebu or Manila, if ever na hindi ko kayo makita, I can just
Yeah.
ship it for
The
you
gift.
guys.
Yeah, the gift will ship to you to your hand. Don't worry.
Yeah, it will be came from Taiwan. Okay, and they will bring it to Philippines, and then I will distribute it to you guys. So thank you so much, and congratulations to our winners.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
Any
Thank you,
questions? Just
thank
feel
you,
free to reach
everyone.
Jovi. Thank you.
Yes, you can message me anytime.
Yes.
Thank you, and bye bye.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye.